Sarki.
Yes, 2 weeks ago, when came the last visit, we make a challenge that we want to ride within this road. Today, the 16th, my birthday, we ride on asphalt. And
what I'm asking is that will it ready for me?
Yes, sir, 100% sure. With hard road asphalt, wearing course, sign, road marking, and all the drain will be ready before the street light. Yes, before I enter. Yes, the first one, the second one.
The end of the road. So we are doing some base asphalt for the other side. Okay, no problem. So I can just describe after the bridge, we finish with all the earth moving from here to the end of the road. There is some section there is already asphalt. In front, we can notice we were just doing asphalt where there was the blasting the last time. Then for instance, the last time when we arrived at the end of the road, there was still 300 meters, 15 span there is the railway to, yeah. This was the part in the last time and there was not gate. Next week we go to the gap.
And are they also part of what you expected to be commissioned on May?
I did not go to EFCC Academy. I went to the road opening up the Giri District, which is where you have EFCC Academy. So let the record be put straight, because you press people like to give something that the others will begin to insinuate. Secondly, there's the University of Abuja there too. We believe that with what we're doing there, that district will open up. We have also been to Amex, that is being done by Salini. We have also come to Step 8, and then we're here. We believe that by the grace of God, you have seen the Salini has promised that by the end of May, they would have handed over the project. Levanti, that is doing the Green District, has also promised, you can see the level of work, that by the end of May, they will also have handed over. Sukarera has also promised that they are going to hand over this road by end of May. We believe by the grace of God, all these projects will be ready. But this is not part of what we are going to commission in May. This would be September 2025, so that nobody will say we made a promise to hand over the Abuja Division in May. No. So, but as part of the routine inspection, we will always have to go there and see that the contractors are doing what they're supposed to do, and we're happy with what they're doing. And on our own part too, we are fulfilling our own obligation by making sure that payments are made to them in order not to delay the work.
Your Excellency, you looked particularly impressed with the Inner Northern Expressway bridge, connecting across the railway. The contractor said about 300 meters. Tell us what is your view of what the contractors are doing there and how?
Well, you remember that each time I go there, I've complained as we are entering the roughness, but now you can see they have gone to improve on it. But I was impressed that from that issue, it takes you to going to the road to Zuba.
Yes.
And that is very important for us. And the Outer Northern Expressway is part of what we think, which is being handled by Gilmore, will also be commissioned in May. I'm impressed with the bridge work. If you had followed us to that place before that, you'll be thinking that it will be difficult. Now, they have succeeded in crossing over the rail line, and they have almost, by the end of the week, they have said next week, they will have casting the concrete of the bridge. And it gives us pleasure. We're happy with what we're doing, and we're also happy that the people are happy. You can imagine the communities there, how they feel that today they have a road connecting them to other parts of Abuja. That, of course, is the Renewed Hope agenda. We're happy that the promises made are being kept to the glory of God.
Okay. The concluding part of the question was, how will it change the landscape of Abuja?
I mean, road development is key. I mean, you are saying that how would the road network change the landscape of Abuja? It speaks for itself. I mean, obviously, you have interconnectivity. Obviously, people will also move down there instead of people only residing within the city. And that's what we're praying, to discourage people from living from the rural area to the city. From that area now to the city, it takes you not less than 15 minutes. And that's what we're praying for.
Okay, and finally, sir, this is the first time a minister will visit for the constituency. What does it mean in terms of our renewed hope?
I do not know about that because I've never monitored. But I do know that for us, we cannot just sit in the offices to say that jobs are going. No, it is part of our job to go and see for ourselves, to look at the quality of jobs. Yesterday, you remember when we went to the Mabushi bus terminal, we did correct certain things we saw. If you don't go out, and then you may be embarrassed by the job commission, this is not what you expected. By that time, it will be too late. So inspection is part of the assignment to make sure that the job's not only done, but done very, very well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.